Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kumba Rakhe school paper haka baydai bat kasngi Burom Nonghikai haka lengkari India. Haka janme jangka santrik unailur ki Khynnah school jangka special training center jangka Nongmynsong dorbar LP UP SSA STC school. Kila Rakhe Burom yakni kasngi haka rukam ka bakhamper. Kini Khynnah school gidi Khynnah Pule kiba Pule anda janme ha Nongmynsong dorbar community hall namar kidi Khynnah kibawan ni kilong yang kibadok bakerdo bat kibaduna kayok kakot ban Pule ke Pule lem kiwei pat Khynnah. Hendrai hakane ke janme kini Khynnah Pule kila penpau ya ka jingsong Burom ya arngot Nonghikai jongki kiba kenthop yo babu pikhan bat ka kong anti sharani ha ka jingran lang ru ka kong iba khongwar ka bade ka coordinator jong ka Nongmynsong CRC la ban ong ba Khynnah ki penpau ya ka jingsong kmen le sien na ka jing shimenta jong ki ha ka shat nirwai hendrai la ban song thu ba kini Khynnah ki wan man ka sngi school onda janmet nadu ka por san beji janmet adu nyo beji hapadang ka jing that jing jerem hadien ka jing trikam ba klem sange jong ki baro sngi kini Khynnah school ki wan school onda la pendap kam ha ki ying kisam ni ki jakali tre don na ki bahab ban kit khli ya ki kam yeng kam sam nakadaw ka jinga bun palat chipara ni nakadaw ba kim don kme don kapasho ki don na ki Khynnah ki basa stang bat ka kme nakadaw ba ukpa jong ki ula e no ki bat ki wei pat ki daw ki ba kum ki ne ki wan ra ya ki jing ki ba khraw ka long yeng long sam ki Khynnah ak ni ka school ki don om duna ya ka sau phongun bat bun na ki Khynnah ki penpau baki kwa ya ka jing Pule hendrai kim tepat da kanu kalat kalinti ken yo ban pen urlong ya ka jing thang jongki
Malay Ong Special Training Center Habari Ong Special Training Center kamut kabakerpang na kabanta jongki hi di Khynnah ki bamyo alaha dalit school hendrai menta da ka jing Pule ya ka Special Training Center na ka department jongki kasima SSA Block Mission Coordinator Milala an liye bagan ayla dekhi bakin nam madyo shafram batang ni shafmat dakla pa fanan ni ngin chapha be me phi mainstream kamot ba ngin pha be ki school dugla ibalong na do stem ha baro shi kani ka jong ki mata ra ngai dang special training center.
This song is for those who see the students through the touch and in their life for that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our mind. You have changed the world one time at a time. You have always been loved in
जाने